Hey guys, so this video is about how to use Face Fusion without a good GPU. So other of you have tried using Face Fusion. To use that, you need to have a good graphics card, not just Face Fusion. Most of the good AI tools requires you to have the good graphics card. So when I started meeting AI influencers, I did not have a good computer with their GPU card. So all I had was my laptop. So to finish doing a reel or video, it takes about 6 to 7 hours to, make it happen. And that's because it didn't have a way to get a graphics card in that work. And I didn't think about the consequences. I still did it. And somehow I create a good influence out of it. And as soon as I started making some money through that, I bought a desktop with a good graphics card. But it sort of ring from 6 hours to 5 minutes. So that was a good progress. But still, I wanted to make things faster. Then I was looking for ways to do this. Then I found out about this site. And this site here allows you to rent, sort of like rent a good computer. And they have a lot of AI tools installed in their systems. I'm just using this one and I'm not affiliated with them or anything. It costs you a little bit of money, but it's totally worth it when you consider the time it's going to save you. So this is how you use it. Just go into VinnicPC.com and free launch. It's not free though. You have to top up your funds there. And my apps are right here, and you can just add Face Fusion to here. They have two different versions. This is the latest version, 3.11, and I use 2.6 because it's light. This one, I really had some bad experience using this. Sometimes it just not function. It doesn't work. And this one orders with this is so light and it's faster. And the output is pretty much the same. I tried using both of this, and output is very much the same. There's not a difference I can come up with. So you click this one. So they have 4 different tiers, like 4 different types of performance. These two are faster than your desktop, I think, is sure then. But still, it's not fast enough. So that's why I use the large Pro version. And this one is faster, but it's not faster enough than this one. So this one is really faster than this too, but it's not slow, much slower than this one. So that's why I use this one. It just gives me the best bang for my buck. I try to use the Body version all the time. If it is available, it is something important I need. If I don't have enough time, I would go for the instant fun. But all the other time, I just use the Barney version. So much worth it. This is how you launch this. So when you use the bargaining version, it takes the bar to 3 minutes sometimes to launch it. Here's the instant version. It pretty much comes within 30 seconds most of the time. Oh, there we go.